Mga clear na salvation verses number 31. Sa Galatians 3 verses 2 to 3. Basahin natin. This only I want to learn from you. Did you receive the Spirit by works of the law or by the hearing of faith? Are you so foolish? Having begun in the Spirit, are you now being made perfect by the flesh? Bigyan natin ng konting context ang ating passage. Si Apostle Paul, kausap niya yung mga Galatian Christians at this time. Sinulat niya tong letter na to kasi nga gusto niyang i-correct yung bagong narinig nila about sa justification o yung pagiging declared na righteous ng isang Kristiyano. Kasi may false teacher na pumasok, sabi, oo, nag-start kayo by faith. Pero mame-maintain nyo yung salvation nyo through works of the law. Anong sabi ni Paul dito? Sabi niya, na-receive nyo ba yung Spirit sa pamamagitan ng pag-observe ng law? Or nung narinig nyo yung gospel and minix nyo ng faith? Sabi dito, hangal ba kayo na nag-start kayo sa Holy Spirit? Ngayon sinasabi nyo na napaperfect kayo or matatapos nyo itong salvation nyo by the flesh or by the works of the law? Diba? Hindi. By faith lang natin na-receive yung salvation natin.